Good morning, guys. This is Charles with 7883 SEO and Marketing here in Colorado Springs. And I just want to thank you for letting me shoot this screencast for you guys based on your website and website health and ranking. So what we're looking at right now is your website. And so what we're going over is I'm just going over your homepage. And one thing I'm noticing is that you guys don't have a lot of content. The reason this is important is because Google has page crawlers when they're looking at how to rank a site. And one of the things that they do is they look at content. So content includes how much word content you have. The word count is especially important. They like to see 12 to 1,500 words. They also like to see photos that are properly optimized. They like to see that they've got keywords, that they've been filtered correctly, things of that nature. So you're pretty low on your content as far as that goes. You probably got 200 or 300 words, but they like to see 12 to 1,500. Subsequent pages usually average about 500 to 750 words. So you guys are low in that area, which, it's all fixable. That's just what we call on-page SEO. So the reason that I contacted you guys was because I'm looking at websites in the physical therapy realm here in Colorado Springs. And so you guys were not ranking on the first page on Google. So I pulled up your biggest competitor. We're going to go and look at their metrics, and then we're going to look at your metrics and explain why this is happening and what we can do to fix that. So we're going to go to your biggest competitor for physical therapy here in Colorado Springs, which is Synergy Manual Physical Therapy. Now, if you notice on theirs, they've got a 29 for an authority score, which means that Google trusts their site. Not only has their site been up a while, but they've got good content, they've got good links, things like that. Google trusts them. They're established. So the next thing we're looking at is we look at the amount of backlinks they got, which is important because this goes to other domains, this goes to blogs, this goes to any publications, citations, registrars, places that you've got your name out there. Because the more of that you tend to have, it drives your organic search traffic. So if we look at their organic search traffic for the month, they have gotten 1.2 thousand visits. And if we look at why part of that is within their backlinks and their SEO, they've got 870 top organic keywords. And so we can come in here and we can look and we can see what kind of traffic they're driving. So simply if I look up physical therapy Colorado Springs, I know that, traffic in general for the month in this area is 1.3 thousand. But if we look up physical therapy, Colorado Springs, they've got 210, 170, things like that. Those are important. And these just go on, and it just depends on the key word. So if we go back, we'll reset this one, and now we'll go look at yours. Okay, so we're going to go up, we're going to look at yours. You have an authority score, which is about half of what they have. Google semi-trusts you because you're getting a little traffic, but not very much. Your backlinks is significantly lower, which is only driving in 7 organic search traffic for the month. And then if we look at how many top organic keywords you guys have, you've only got 20. And, this is all important because without this on-page and off-page SEO, you're not going to drive organic you're not going to drive the organic traffic without keywords, without backlinks. The reason this is important is if you don't have any of that, Google will not trust you and they will not rank you on the first page of Google. This all includes your word count, your keywords within the word count, the structure of the keywords, bolding, linking, photo optimization, alt text, all of these things are important. The next thing I want to look at, which we pull up when we look at citations, because it's a form of a backlink that's important because it's how you're getting your company name out there. And so if we go and we look at your citations, you guys are actually ahead of Synergy, but you guys still have massive opportunities to clean that up. What that is telling me overall is that you guys are just lacking the SEO in general to make this happen, to make the ranking happen. And I don't have to tell you, the more traffic that you get onto your site, the more potential phone calls you get, which allows you guys to seal the deal. So with that said, I've given you the information. If you guys are curious on how we can fix that, I'd love to sit down and talk with somebody for a few minutes just to dive deep and see what your aspirations are for your business and your website and where you'd like to see it go, where and how much traffic you would like to get to increase your business and so forth. And so if you guys are interested, just click the link, watch this, and then shoot me an email or give me a phone call afterwards. I'll leave my phone number in the email, and we can go from there. All right, you guys have a great day.